Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about um, conditional probability. And this is again, we are going to use the concept of without replacement. So here is a scenario. As we progress step by step, I'll explain to you what are the other alternatives. Mrs. Vemuri has 5 shirts and 3 pants. She randomly chooses 2 hangers from a closet, one at a time, without replacement. What is the probability of choosing a shirt and a pant in any order? In any order means she can choose shirt pant or pant shirt. So the order doesn't matter which one comes first. Now, why is she doing this? Because at the moment all her lights are turned off and she cannot actually see. She has to touch and feel because she has baby sleeping in the bedroom and she doesn't want to disturb them by turning the lights on. Okay, so scenario one. I know this is visible, but let's say this is like dim lit and you don't know which hanger is what. So she randomly will choose 2 hangers, one at a time without replacement. So currently there are 5 shirts, 3 pants. Total number of items 5 plus 3, 8. Now, so it can be of any order, means shirt first, next pant, or pant first, then shirt. Okay, either order is acceptable. Now, what is the probability of picking a shirt first? So then 5 out of 8, because there are 5 shirts, and so the total is 5 out of 8. So if you want to pick pant first, then there are 3 pants out of 8. Okay, after the first pick, that item is removed from the closet. Now this is an important understanding that you need to have. The total will decrease. At the same time, that particular item number also have to go down. So 2 things will happen. Okay, case A and case B. Let's see. First is shirt, then pant. So after picking a shirt first, now there are 7 items left in total. So 1 shirt out, so that's 4 shirts and 3 pants. So probability of picking a second pant is 3 out of 7. So you need to know that. Now let's say if you have picked pant first, then you have to subtract pants. So now you only have 2 pants. Then you need to pick a shirt. So you still have 5 shirts. So but 5 out of 7 is your probability. Now calculating the probabilities of getting a sample space of shirt and pant or pant and shirt. So there are 2 options for you. So when you're going across the probability tree diagram, you're multiplying these 2 things. So it's first is 5 out of 8 times 3 out of 7. You end up getting 15 out of 56. The same thing for this. 3 out of 8 times 5 out of 7 is still 15 out of 56. You see how it's happening? And then the total probability is either order. You add these 2 fractions. So which ended up being 30 out of 56, which is 15 out of 28. 15 out of 28 as a decimal is 0.5357. When you multiply that with 100 to convert that to a percentage, it is roughly 53.57 chance. So as you can see, her chance is 53.57% for picking either a shirt or a pant in any order when choosing 2 hangers from a dark closet. All right, guys, thanks again. I hope this was helpful. I'm going to do another scenario where the order is important. So you're stuck with the order. Then what happens to the percentage? So check out the next video. But thanks again. Hope these without replacement examples are making sense with real life situations. Thanks again. Bye-bye.